All right, so we're trying to figure out the value of k. We want this number to be divisible by 9, and we know it's divisible by 9 if you sum up all the digits. All right, so let's look at, let me write down these answers. 9, 16, 23, 9, 16, 23, 35, and 47. All right, so if you sum up these digits, 2 plus 5 gives you 7. And this 10 to the end, all that's going to do is just add zeros onto the number. Same thing for this, just add 10 to 2n. So let's see, plus 7, 9 plus 7 is 16. That's 7, that's 23. And this is 7 is 30. See, none of these are divisible by 9. And 7 here, it's going to be 42, 7. And then plus 7, 7 times 7's 14, it's 54, and 9 times 6 is 54, 9 goes into that, so your answer must be E.